Here is my budget, Kira, the other half of Scrunchy Pie. So I live with my family of 4 in Southwest Florida, and the cost of living is a little bit different than the Bay Area of California where Danielle lives. So this is what a value-based budget looks like. I have listed up through here the things that me and my family value. Of course, we have, required living expenses, a house, food, electricity, stuff like that. But then the other items that we have here is very specific. Me and my husband have talked about our money goal is to be financially independent. So we spend our money on items that we value, that add value to our lives, as well as our value is financial independence, and we want to save as much money as we can to be financially free and be able to quit the 9-to-5 one day. So you can see here probably looks a little bit different than your budget. My monthly mortgage is $577, and that's because I house hack. I split that monthly payment with my rental, the other half of my house. Not everyone can do that. Not everybody wants to do that, but that's what I want to do because I prioritize financial independence. So my car insurance is actually very expensive because I have an umbrella insurance, and I have those because I have rentals as a income. I also have life insurance that me and my husband pay into. We're paying into a term life right now, and once we reach financial independence, we are actually going to cancel that. So that will be a line item off of our budget. We pay $32 for 2 lines, $15 each. That's very cheap. We have everything that we need from our phone and phone service, and you could go and check our other videos on getting really cheap phone service. My internet is really cheap because it's 25 Mbps, but that's perfectly fine for me to be able to work at home and my kids to be able to stream whatever they need. And then I had a car loan that I actually paid off, so that's done. Food, water, gas. You can see the food is very expensive because of inflation. I have some line items in there for like car maintenance, and then gifts and eating out, restaurants, entertainment, general merchandise, some things that we might be buying like clothes, etc. But you can see all these items are pretty low, and that's because we focus on financial independence and being frugal. So what does your budget look like?